Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. Right here is my Nissan Rogue, and in this video I will show you how to quickly and easily test your car battery at home. The test tool that I'll be using also has a built-in charging function, so you can test and charge a battery with one tool. Now at the end of this video, I will go over why this fairly new battery, which is only about a year old, has a very low charge. Let me show you this battery that's in this Nissan Rogue. Now on the sticker here, it tells you this is an EFB, an enhanced flooded battery, and is rated at 70 amp hour at 720 amp. Right here I have a tool that is a battery tester and a battery charger. So the first thing I'm going to do is connect this to my battery so I can test the battery. Connect the negative clamp to the negative terminal of the car battery. Next, I'll connect the positive clamp to the positive terminal of the car battery, and the test tool will power up. Now when I'm testing the car battery, all I need is to connect the alligator clamps from the car battery to the tester. This will power the tool itself, but if I want to use this to charge a car battery, then I need to connect the AC power cord that you see right here. On the main menu, select check. The battery's in vehicle. I'm going to do a battery test. Now this battery that's in the Nissan Rogue is what they call an enhanced flooded battery. It's not an AGM battery, but it's a special enhanced flooded battery that works best for vehicle with start-stop systems. I'm going to scroll down to EFB number 5, enter. Now this battery does not have a CCA or cold cranking amp rating specified on the sticker that's on top of the battery. Instead it has a rating of 70 amp hour and a current rating of 720 amp. Now if I scroll down on this tester, I'm going to go to SAE. Here I'm going to enter the 720 rating. Press enter. Now it's testing the battery. So with the test result, here it tells you the SOH, state of health, is 100%. So the health of the battery is good, but the SOC, state of charge, is only 43%. And the voltage is 12.26 volt. So the battery is good, but the charge is very low. And the internal resistance is 4.13 milliohm. And this internal resistance is good. Now if you see an internal resistance that's like 10, 12 milliohm, then the battery's bad. And also at the very bottom it does tell you the battery's good, but needs recharging. So I'm going to plug this AC cord to my wall outlet. Now I should mention, when you're charging the car battery, you do not need to disconnect the battery terminals on the car battery. What you'll need to do is connect the charger directly onto a car battery and charge it. So let's escape this and get out. I'm going to scroll down to battery charge. Now I'm going to press enter. And now this battery tester will start charging this car battery. Looking at the LCD display, it tells you it's charging at 2.67 amp at 13.29 volts. Now this charger will stop automatically once the car battery is fully charged. So after about 2 hours of charging, the charging current dropped to 1.2 amp. It does say 100%, but I'm going to charge it a little bit more until the charging current will drop to trickle charge, which is like a maintenance charging, and then that's when I'll disconnect the charger. So right now it's about 4 hours after I started charging the battery. As you can see, the charging current is now less than 1 amp at about 870 milliamp. So the car battery is fully charged. To stop the charging, I'm going to press the escape button right here. Now before removing the clamps, I'm going to go back and check the battery. Start the test. As you can see, the state of charge is now 98% and the battery is good. With the battery charge, now I can disconnect the clamps and disconnect the AC power cord. So for those of you watching this video and wondering why would the battery be 45% charged, the reason for that is because this Nissan Rogue only gets driven about 10 to 20 minutes total per day. So the drive is very short and is not enough time to fully charge the battery. Even though the battery is in good health at 100%, day after day of this type of driving would drain the battery. If your daily commute is a lot longer, then you wouldn't have this problem. Now if you're interested in getting that test tool and charger that I used in this video, I'll include the link in the video description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.